Welcome you back to Palm Ops Foundation Elite Schools, and in here we are making computing easier. Remember, your trainer is Ahewa Martin. This is my number and this is my email address. So the skills to learn in this video is now we are to learn about integers. So what are the integers in PHP? Remember, we are making PHP simpler for each and every person. So now they are whole numbers. They are whole numbers without a decimal point. Like if you see 4195. These are integers. They are simplest type. They correspond to simple whole numbers, both positive and negative. Integers can be assigned to variables, or they can be used in expressions like so. So if we have this one, it means that I'm saying that int var, this is a variable for holding an integer. These are the numbers I want this variable to be taking. Even here, another integer. So this one will be taking this value after it is evaluated. So I'm saying that int val, this one equals 1 2 3 4 5. Then another int, that is another variable, should be containing values of this number, meaning that get 1 2 minus 1 2 5, this one plus this one, which is equivalent to 0, meaning that another int is equal to 0. That is what we are trying to mean here. So now let us continue. We are saying that integers can be in decimal. Integers can be in decimal, that is base 10, octo, that is base 8. We have and hexadecimal, and that is base 16 format. Decimal format is the default. Octo integers are specified with a reading 0, or a reading O, and the hexadecimals have a reading 0x, so 0 times. So for most common platforms, the largest integer is, we have this one. So 2 star 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 3 1.1, meaning that there are other numbers that are here, all, which is this one, which is this one in explanation. So we have 2 comma 2, that is 1 2 3, that is 2 billion. So 147 million 483,647. Then, and the most negative integer is, we have also this one, or what we call dot 2, as how we are seeing it here. So this is the largest and this is the smallest integer, and in this way we are talking about those ones with decimal points. So let us continue and go to what we call doubles. So let us go to doubles. They are like 3.141559 or 449.1. By default, doubles print with the maximum number of decimal places needed. For example, the code, let us see the code below. For example, let us see it here. So we are having this one here. It is saying that many equals this one, then many 2 equals this one, and then we are saying few is equal to many plus many, that is many 1 plus many 2, this one. So print many plus many equals this one and break. So let us see what it will do to us. We are going to copy it and I take it to my text editor. So I copy it, I open up my text editor, that is Notepad++. Then inside this, I will use this existing file. So I will say inside this PHP, I paste there my command, my variables. These are variables and these are the values to these variables. So now if I finish here, after finishing here, I will say save changes. Then I run test.php in my web browser after my server is all running and is all okay. So you have to first start Apache and start MySQL. Just click here on start. You click here on start and type there XAMPP, then press enter. Then after pressing enter, you start your servers. So these ones are already running. So let us continue and come here and type there localhost as how you are seeing it inside our PHP class. We are going to run test.php and I press enter. So now we are saying that test.php. So PHP, let me come back to my code. I'm getting some error. Test.php. So print this one on line 7. I'm having some error on line 7. So this one should be entered here. Then this one, print this one. So if I remove these dots here and I save changes, I come back here and I refresh. Unexpected error, line 9. So we have this many plus So this one can be taken in quotes, and also this one closed here, then this one started here, and this one also closed from here. So if I save changes and I come back here and I refresh, I'm not receiving, I'm getting an error. I'm getting an error. I'm trying to debug this. So this is 2. Print this one, that's this one, because this one. Then break. Let me see. I say print that and closed. Recent. So variable, this one is closed from here. So if you save changes, you come and remove this, then you refresh here, it is done. So now if I come back here, so if you highlight this, you copy it here, then I bring it here in PHP. Let us see, we want to see, will it print for us this result? Let me remove this one and I put there this, then also I put there this. I remove these ones, I put there my things here, then I remove also this. I save changes. So if I come back here and I refresh here, now I get this answer, meaning that get for me this number, add there for me this number, and give me the results. So that is what we are having here. We are saying that get for me this number, add for me this number, then after getting those numbers, those are the variable names here, then come here and say equal signs few, meaning that I should get the result as few here. So that is what we are having. And the result should be this. So they got 4.5. Let us see in our web browser, do we also have it? Yes. So thank you so much for watching. Let us meet in the next video.